Recording. Good evening. Okay,
Good
welcome.
evening too.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to today's session on preparation of cakes. But first, I would like to know the people that are in for the purpose of roll call. Justus Martin, Justus, are you in?
Present. I'm
Okay,
in.
Nicodemus Serem, Purity, Purity Abonyo,
Present. Present.
Sanctus,
Present.
Askal, Elsie.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Welcome all to today's
Present.
session. Yeah, thank you. Welcome to today's session. We are talking today about
Aniweke that
preparation
minutes
of
elfu
cake.
fanya AI portfolio. Hata mi hajaniwekea. Si link nataka
Elsie,
kutoa,
please mute your
nimemwambia weke
microphone.
portfolio. Unaona?
Elsie, mute your
Sorry,
microphone.
sorry mwalimu.
Okay, let's continue. Uh, our today's objectives are defining the terms cake, different terminology used in preparing cake. We have different equipment used in preparation of cakes, different methods used to prepare cakes, and the procedure of preparing cake. So, as we're going to start our lesson, we start by defining what cake preparation is. And this is the process of preparing all ingredients and equipment necessary to bake a cake. That process of being ready to bake a cake or even a bread, that's the thing that's called the preparation. Then we have different terminologies. Justin, mute your microphone. Mute. Thank you. We have different terminologies used in cake preparation, and I would love Elsie to take us through the different terminologies. Just pick five of them. Elsie,
Yes, mwalimu.
take us through the different
Different
terminologies.
from we have bake. This
Yes.
is to cook or roast by a dry heat in a closed place such as an oven. Baking powder, a chemical raising agent composed of soda, acids and cornstarch to absorb moisture. When wet and heated gives off carbon dioxide gas to raise the batter. We have batter, a homogeneous mixture of ingredients with liquid. We have butter, a fat obtained by churning sweet or sour cream. Beat, the aeration of fat, sugar, egg and other materials by beating together. This can be done by hand or by machine. Bowl, a rounded metal container used in the bakery for mixing, beating or whipping by hand or machine. Creaming, the process of mixing and aerating, shortening and other solids such as sugar or flour. Dough, the thick and cooked mass of combined ingredients for bread rolls and biscuits.
Okay, thank you, Elsie. Thank you for taking us through different terminologies. As you have heard, we have the butter and the beet. There are different terminologies used in when preparing cake. So I'll love Purity to take us through different equipment used in preparing cake. Purity,
Yes.
take us through different equipment used in
Um,
preparing cake.
Equipment one is mixing bowls. It's
Yes.
used for combining ingredients. Then 2 is whisk, used to mix ingredients together and incorporate air in the batter. 3 stand mixer, used to beat together ingredients until they are light and fluffy. 4 measuring cups and spoons, used for accurately measuring ingredients. 5 sieve, used to sift dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, baking powder to remove clumps. 7 rolling pin, used to roll out dough for cake crust. 8 spatula, used to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl, fold ingredients and spread frosting on cake. 8 cake pan or tin, used to bake the cake batter. 9 cooling rack, used to cool cakes after they are baked.
Thank you, Purity. That's all about the equipment that we use in preparing of cake. And we have different methods also used in preparing of cake. Any idea of different methods? Anybody?
Rubbing in method.
Thank you. Yes, we have rubbing in method used to make cake rich and moist, such as fruit cake. Yes. Any other?
We have sorry, we have whisking method.
Yes, we do have whisking method. The it's used to make cake right and delicate, such as chiffon cake. Any other method? Any other trial? Okay, I'll take you through that. We have creaming method used to make cake that are light and fluffy, thus such as Victoria sponge cake. We have all in one method used to make cake that do not require a lot of aeration, such as chocolate cake. We have whisking method used to make cake that are right and delicate, just like it was said. We have melting method used to make cakes that are dense and fudgy, such as brownies and chocolate fudge cake. We have procedure of making a cake, and I would love Serem to take us through that. Procedure of making a cake. We can't hear you, Serem.
Okay. Can you hear me right?
Yes, we can. Go on.
Okay. Number one, we have preheat the oven. Number two, we have measuring and sifting the dry ingredients, that is the flour, sugar, baking powder. Number three, we have softening the butter and then beating the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Adding the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Adding dry ingredients and wet ingredients, these are milk or other liquids, to the batter, mixing until just combine. Pouring the batter into greased and floured cake pan. Baking the cake in a preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then lastly, allow the cakes to cool completely before frosting or serving.
Okay, thank you, Serem. Thank you. Now we have come to our end, of which we have tackled about the preparation of cakes. We have defined the terms, different terminology that are used in cake preparation. We have seen how the different methods that are used, also the procedure of making a cake. Now, quick question, just to recap on what we have done. Okay, state any three terminologies used in cake preparation. Anybody? Hello. Different terminologies used in cake preparation.
Bake,
Yes.
butter, and
Yes.
cool.
Thank you, Titas. Thank you. We have give five equipment used in preparation of cakes. Any equipment? Equipment used in preparation of cake? We have done that already, guys.
We have cake pan. We have
Yes.
cake pan and whisk.
Yes. Another three? Sema zote.
We have mixing bowls. We have mixing bowl, stand mixer, rolling pin, and a
Okay,
cooling rack.
thank you on the equipment and the four methods used in preparation of cake. Elsie, can you give us the four methods used in preparation of cakes? Elsie,
Yes.
give us the four.
Creaming in.
Yes.
We have rubbing in. We have whisking method. We have melting method. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I can see you were paying attention. Now, as you're coming to the end, I would love to leave you with an assignment. List six sweet sauces used in service of dessert from Food and Beverage Production Theory book. Thank you. Have a lovely evening, guys.
You too.
Thank you.